Okay, so let's minimize this. Run the tree program. Alrighty, so first let's grow our trees a little bit. They start off pretty young. Let's get them to a healthy, 25 years. It's kind of a good place where we can see some differences. Pan around the scene a little bit. As you can see, there is that variance in there, which makes it look a little bit more natural. Let's try out the OBJ type. Looks pretty nice. Okay, so let's do something that kind of confirms the expected a bit. So if you decrease the fertility rating, trees get quite small. If you make the fertility rating non-limiting, the trees grow. Another very unsurprising one, mean daily solar radiation. Very small mean daily solar radiation means almost no tree. The program is pretty sensitive to this, and if we add even more, we get huge trees. Note this is one of the ones that impacts the data we've already read in. So let's just say we have maybe a little bit above average, or maybe a little bit below. Okay, frost days. This one's another interesting one. Way less frost days has a pretty big impact on the trees, whereas more frost days has a pretty negative impact. Let's do that about normal. CO2, another interesting one. Not a giant effect all the time, but if it gets up there, definitely has an effect on the trees, their height and everything. Right now the average is somewhere around 400, so we'll leave it there. One I thought was kind of surprising is even if you make the monthly maximum temperature like way hotter, like 5 degrees Celsius hotter, you still get tree growth all the way up to there, which means that the trees have not yet reached their maximum range. Same with even the minimum monthly temperature. Even if you increase that by 5 full degrees, the trees are still happy. So that's pretty fascinating. Let's just kind of gently model maybe kind of a bad climate change scenario, where we get increases in temperature of about 2 degrees Celsius. And we have a significant rise in atmospheric CO2. Say it like doubles almost, which is one of the trajectories. And let's say we want to run this for 60 months. Okay, actually let's go for 100 months. Okay, cool. Stand age of 11 years over here. Now let's try to do a CSV file format. Generate full run here. Let's just name it test full run.csv. Full run has been generated. Alright, let's exit the program. Test full run CSV. Current input parameters. Initial climate data. And we have all this stuff down here. Alright.